In this video, I'll show you how to check camshaft runout, calculate the amount of bending, and determine whether the camshaft is within the manufacturer's service specification. Start by placing the camshaft on two V-blocks. The V-blocks support the camshaft while allowing it to rotate freely during the inspection. Next, position a dial indicator so that its contact tip touches the center journal of the camshaft. Make sure the indicator is perpendicular to the journal surface, then set the dial to 0. Now, slowly rotate the camshaft one complete revolution while carefully watching the dial indicator. As the camshaft rotates, record the highest and lowest readings on the dial. In this example, the maximum reading on the positive side is 0.11 millimeters, and the maximum reading on the negative side is 0.04 millimeters. To calculate the camshaft runout, add the absolute values of these two readings. So, the measured camshaft runout is 0.15 millimeters. Finally, compare the measured runout with the manufacturer's service specification. If the runout is within the specified limit, the camshaft is in good condition and can continue to be used. If the runout exceeds the specified limit, the camshaft is bent and should be replaced. Next, calculate the actual amount of bending. Since the dial indicator reading represents the total runout, divide the runout by 2 to find the maximum bend of the camshaft. In this example, the measured camshaft runout is 0.15 millimeters. To determine the actual bending, divide the runout by 2. Therefore, the actual bend of the camshaft is 0.075 millimeters. Checking camshaft runout is a simple but important inspection that helps ensure smooth valve operation and reliable engine performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more automotive repair and inspection tutorials.